Hello and welcome. You're watching Hub Encounter. Just as we thought that TMC's campaign was non-starter in Goa after Mamata Banerjee's visit, something that's happening in South Goa is giving new hopes for this political party. Leander Paes, who has joined TMC recently, is campaigning in South Goa and is getting good response. Paes will have to fight back attack of being non-Goan and also a question that everyone wants to know whether he'll still continue after February in Goa. And to discuss all these things, we have actually asked little time from Mr. Paes. Thank you very much. First of all, everyone thinks that you are not Goan. People say you are outsiders, and now you have suddenly realized that you are Goan and you are campaigning in Goa.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for visiting me in my family church. It's very unique that you actually asked me about being an outsider. The first thing I'd like to say is that I'm Indian. You are Indian. And everybody watching, we are all Indians. That's the first thing. I think that it is mind games that is being played about calling Indians outsiders. For me, the number one thing is the first paragraph in our constitution states that we're a union of states and we are Indian. That's one. Two is I find it quite amusing that not even 100 yards from here is my ancestry home. My auntie Melba is sitting just off camera here. My father was born here in Goa and my roots are here. This very church here, St. Roque Church in Tolikanto, is where my great-grandmother and my great-grandfather are buried, 50 yards to the left.
So you have all the elements that makes you Goan.
Yes, what I will tell you is that what I want to promote with the youth is that your roots are here. But for some of us, our jobs are far away from here. I had to leave home when I was a young boy to pursue my tennis. My vocation, my tennis, and the way that I was serving our country was through my profession of tennis abroad, internationally. Even though I was not living in Goa at that time, even though I was traveling for my profession, I was still serving the Tiranga. I was still serving our people. So, does it make you an outsider when you go to Wimbledon to win? Does it make you an outsider when you're playing for the saffron, white and green in the Atlanta Olympics 1996? Does it make you an outsider when you play 7 Olympics in a row for your country, for your people? I find it quite amusing.
Okay, are you not also worried about one fact that you have a fan following across all the political lines? Maybe BJP guys are your fan, Congress guys are your fan. Yes, suddenly you are going to TMC, so your fan following might be reduced. People might be feeling hurt that, okay, Leander, I actually adored you and then you are supporting TMC, you are not supporting my political party.
Once again, it comes back to the same essence that we are all Indians. Just like I was a tennis player and in the draw I had opponents or I had adversaries. I have friends everywhere. Sometimes you lose matches, sometimes you win matches. Sometimes you will lose campaigns, sometimes you will win campaigns. But your friendships and your relationships always remain. I am not someone who's conventional in politics, who's going to come here and point fingers at others and try and divide the country.
But politics is something different.
But for me, what's important is a unity of people. For me, it doesn't matter whether you are Hindu or Muslim or Sikh or Christian or any of the religions or the castes that vary in our country.
No, my question
is, for me, we are one.
My question is, you are in TMC, you will speak against BJP. So BJP fans, your fans who are in BJP will feel he's talking against us. You will speak against Congress, they'll feel he's talking against us. How do you tackle this?
I will speak about what I can do. I will not be pointing fingers about others. For me, it's about what we can do. It's not about buck. It's about being a doer. To me, there are 5 major issues in the state of Goa. There is mining. There is potable water. There is women's safety. There is fair trade and governance for fishing community. And there is employment for the youth. All these 5 issues don't have a religion or a caste to it. These 5 issues are across board, sir. So for me, what is important is just as in the last 30 years I've represented our country and our people through my tennis and the Olympics and Davis Cup, the vehicle has changed. It's politics. It's for social service. It's to come here and for good governance, to give good governance to the people, to give them a quality of life.
Again,
For me, that's the importance.
again back to the same question. You might be little irritated. I'm asking you same
No, I'm
question
not.
in some other. But
Please.
all negativities which are associated to TMC would get associated to you, which was not ideally wouldn't have got associated if you had not to join this political party or not to join any political party.
You know, I think that people who sit outside will always sit outside. There is a reason why a lot of people don't want to come into politics. You could call it the corruption in politics, the dirtiness in politics. A lot of people have said lots of things. But I feel that for someone like me who really wants to serve the nation, you can only do that from the inside. Am I going to get people who are against me? Of course. Am I going to get people who don't like me? For sure, a few. But what is important for me is to do good for our community, to do good for our people. And here in Goa, you are sitting in my roots. Right here, the soil where you sit is the land where my grandfather and my great-grandfather and my great-grandmother have helped build this community. You will be meeting Father Alan Tavares, who actually is part of our family. You will be meeting Auntie Melba, who's my aunt, my father's sister. You will actually be going through my roots here in Goa.
Are you feeling?
So I feel that a lot of people will play mind games and say, "Tu to
Are you
outsider
feeling
hi hai."
nostalgic right now when you are touring Goa, especially South Goa?
I'm feeling very happy because when I played at Wimbledon, I played for Vili, I played for Goa, I played for India. When I played in the Olympics, I played for every state of our country and I played for every Indian on this planet. So now that you're interviewing my first interview in my
Since you joined TMC,
my roots, and I'm very grateful for you to actually make the time to come here and do this interview in my roots.
in fact, you
But
said
in that it is about doing good, you know.
you said you have to be inside to do something good. That means, are you going to contest elections?
This is a question that I think the captain of our team, Mamta Banerjee Didi, will make that decision. I am very grateful to the TMC party for giving me this opportunity. I am very grateful to Mamta Banerjee for giving me this opportunity. And as a son who wants to serve our people, whatever role I have to play, in my very roots of Goa, if I am asked to the task of coming and standing the elections, if I am asked to the task to do what it takes to make the quality of our people better, I will take that.
Are you intending to contest elections? Are you asking for a ticket?
Like I said, sometimes I like karma to play itself out. You call it karma, you call it taqdeer, you call it faith. It will play itself out. But as far as I'm concerned, my journey of tennis over 30 years, 3 decades, shows how much stay and how much passion I have.
You're nicely avoiding
So in
one
this,
straight question which
it's a
I'm
very-
asking. Are you asking for a ticket with
It's a very
TMC?
straight answer I've given you, that the captain of my team
They will decide.
will decide.
If she asks you to contest, you will contest.
If she decides that I'm the best person for the job to serve the people, yes, I will.
Are you also CM's candidate face for Goa? Someone
Captain
who
will
has
decide.
again captain will decide.
Of course. See,
Would-
you're part of a team, right?
Would you love to be
I've
Goa's-
always played a part of a team. In my profession, in my sport, or in politics, you're part of a big team. You know, there's a lot of data behind it, there's a lot of research behind it, there's a systematic plan behind it. Because it's not just about sitting here in front of the cameras and talking to you. I can say yes or no to you. But the actual fact is about doing good.
Would you love to
If
be Goa's
I-
CM?
If I would love to serve the people,
Would you love to be
if
Goa's
the
chief
people
minister?
vote that I should come in, if the people of India, if the people of Goa want me to make a difference, I can assure you, just as I have done for 30 years to serve the country, I will serve the people to the best that I have, the best of my ability to state what I will do and then to execute it.
If given an opportunity.
If given an opportunity, it will be the greatest honor for me to continue serving the people.
Which is the constituency that you actually ideally think that you might start your political career in assembly?
Once again, I come back to a straight answer to you that It's a journey, and in that, the TMC party will decide, Mamta Didi will decide, and I think there is a certain beauty of being part of an organization that has a system. It's very important to have a system for success, and in that, there is a certain hierarchy. For us, we've got a beautiful leader in a woman who's in my opinion, a champion. Mamta Didi was there for me as a teenager when she was the sports minister and I needed help to travel outside our country to represent India. She was there for me.
Everything looks like you want to give it back to Mamta Banerjee because she helped you during your teenage for sponsorship, for travels. We have seen you speaking about it, for foreign exchange. This looks like more like giving back to Mamta Banerjee than giving back to the society.
It's funny you ask me that after 30 years of serving the people.
No, I mean to say,
But actually
as
just
far as
as I
political, there is no question about your sporting career. We are not discussing your sporting career at all, and I am not interviewing a tennis player here. I am interviewing TMC leader here. So my question is, you are giving back this to Mamta Banerjee, your political career. That's what.
Life is about perceptions. Today, I am that tennis player. Today, I am that TMC leader, and today is my second day. Tomorrow, and day after, and the week after, and the month after, I am still a son of the soil. So in that, I will serve my people. Mamta Didi and TMC are the vehicle that I have chosen to serve my people. My passion that burns inside of me is to continuously do good for the betterment of our people. And in this case, the betterment of my local Goan people.
As we sit here, we are just 2-3 months away from the elections, and TMC seems to be a non-starter, at least till now, superficially. I don't know what's happening at a grassroots level, but at least now it seems to be a non-starter. How do you react to that?
Perceptions.
Again, it's my
For me,
perception.
I feel that when you do your data research, when you look into the actual data of what's happening, things are moving. For me, I feel like coming part of the TMC and making a difference in the community. Sure, there are other parties who are doing good for India also. Sure, there are other parties who are out there trying to be the best they can be. So I'm going to run my race. I'm going to do the best that I can to serve our people in whatever capacity that I'm given that opportunity. And
But
what
my
I see
question
here,
is
the
about
five,
overall TMC in Goa. Do you foresee this party actually getting more than 21 seats, forming a government? Or this is just a starter right now, and then somewhere down the line 27 we'll see to form the government?
well, you don't need 21 seats in your own party to form a governance, right? At the end of the day, whether the research that I've seen over the years is that people talking a lot about coalitions, people talking about parties coming together, and there's a lot of talk about it. For me, I'm in a very wonderful learning stage.
You support coalition?
I'm in a great position here where the knowledge that's coming to me every day is enhancing my knowledge in politics. For me, I feel like Goa is a very unique state, and I feel that the history over the last 5 years, the people know all too well. What is nice for me is I'm coming into a party that is fresh, that is new in Goa.
Do you support
So
coalition?
in that, I feel that having this opportunity to answer your next question, that if there is a need for coalition, why not? Why not?
And
It's
whom
not
do you
about
think
wi-
is a
It's
like-minded
not about
party?
winning a race. It's about doing good for the people. If the party is the right party to good for people, to do good for people, if Leander Paes is the right person that the people vote, is the right man to do the job for the people, then it is my honor. This is not about answering questions of which party are you joining or which coalition you believe in or not, or it's not about this, sir. For me, it's about doing the right thing for our people. At the end of the day, the simple essentials of life, water, food, roadways, electricity. People today also have social unrest. People today are worried about the divisions that we have in our country.
So TMC will bring the change according to
So I'm talking about a union of states. I'm talking about in Goa itself, in my roots. It does not matter to me whether you are Christian, Hindu, Muslim, or any caste or religion. we are all one. And we are one community, and I promote and I believe and I'm very passionate about bringing people together, about solving these 5 issues. Mining, potable water, safety for women, fair trade and good governance for our fisher community, and jobs for our youth.
Employment.
Employment
Okay, last
for the-
question from my side before we end the interview. Everyone thinks that after February you might not be here. Will you be here irrespective whether TMC wins, TMC doesn't win, TMC loses all the deposit or TMC forms the government? Are you going to be here for the people of Goa whom you are going to meet right now?
My 30 years, 3 decades of my tennis career shows what kind of patience and passion that I have. For me, I'm back in my roots here to make a difference. In that, tennis had taken me away to perform and serve the people and serve the country in tournaments outside the country. But now that I'm back, I want to make a difference to our community. To answer your question, yes, I'm here to serve the people. I'm here to serve the people of our Goa. I'm here to make a difference in our community.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर स्पेंडिंग टाइम विथ अस. हे आशिल्ले लेंडर पेज ते म्हणटा अजून म्हणसर तरी आपणे डू यू नो कोंकणी बाय द वे?
Yes, I understand,
You understand
Konkani,
Konkani.
and pretty soon I'll be doing an interview with you in Konkani.
नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू इन कोंकणी. ओके. हे आशिल्ले लेंडर पेज ते म्हणटा की अजून म्हणसर आपणे डिसायड करूं ना कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो काय ना म्हणून. सगळें डिपेंड आसतलें पार्टी चीफ कॅप्टन ऑफ द पार्टी ती डिसायड करतली आपूण लढप काय ना लढप, खंयच्यान लढप काय खंयच्यान लढप ना. आनी फेब्रुवारी नंतरूय ते गोंयान आसतले आनी गोंयकारा खातीर काम करतले. देव बरें करूं. एटलीस्ट यू नो देव बरें करूं टू से देव
I
बरें.
understand everything you just said.
You understand everything. You are watching Hub Encounter on your favorite website www.goanewshub.com. Our channel partners are RDX Goa, our production partners are goabyland.com, and our drone partners are Hawk Studios. Keep watching.